Welcome back. Yes, it's 2022, guys. To those of you who are already part of the Handy Mom tribe, welcome back, welcome back. So I'm not sure what your challenges have been, but my challenge is definitely getting stuff organized this year. Now, one of the first things I've done is that for the month of January, I took the time to just go through some of my health checklists. I've been to my doctor for my annual. I have several tests that that's still ongoing because of issues that arose last year. That's why you didn't see a lot of the projects that I had planned. You know, we make plans and go laugh, okay? But I took the time off to just see about my health, make sure that everything is okay. I was not feeling the best, and I just decided, listen, I just need to get these things done and over with. I still have one or two specialists to go to and see what their reports are. But other than that, I am just trying to drink water and mind my business. But that is as real as it gets. I'm definitely looking forward to knocking some of these projects off my to-do list. And you know how it goes, the more you knock them off is the more projects come on that list. But that's okay, we're up for the challenge for 2022, right? Leave me a comment in the comment section. Let me know what is your challenge this year, where your home organization, home decor, or home maintenance goals come into play. I'll definitely be able to share some more of mine with you. So see you in the comment section. And I have some exciting stuff that I need to share with you guys. One of them being that I'm going to be a grandma. Yeah, we don't do the grandma thing, just grandma, as you can see. But anyway, I have a lot of interesting projects coming up. Zoe is going to be involved in a lot of them, and I just can't wait to see the transformation of some of these spaces. A few of the projects, like reorganizing my linen closet. Well, actually it's reorganizing my entire master bathroom, which my linen closet is a part of. And also things like underneath my vanity sink. Now, I don't know what went through the mind of the contractor when they installed this vanity, but trust me, it was not meant for people who have lives. Yeah, this was definitely made for short-term vacation home something, because the storage is horrendous. But I'm going to show you guys some of the hacks that I've come up with to make the best of my space for storage. And then I'll introduce you to some of my new babies. Oh, I have new fiddle leaf fig plants, and they're so gorgeous. I just can't wait to get them in their perfect pots and leave them in their perfect spot so you guys can see. But stick with me. We're gonna have some fun. We're gonna learn some fun facts, and we're gonna learn more about how to organize, how to decorate, and how to maintain the space that you're in. Now, if you enjoyed content like this, I'm telling you, you need to subscribe and turn on that notification bell. And if you haven't yet, remember to follow me on Instagram and Facebook, where I give you little nuggets of information in between videos. As usual, it's a pleasure sharing the information that I have with you guys, because I believe you guys are really part of the tribe, and I have fun doing this for you. So see you again in the next video.